Every year, millions of people around the world, especially in low-resource settings, struggle to walk, move, or recover simply because they cannot access a properly fitted orthotic device. Orthotics, like ankle-foot braces, are life-changing tools, but making them is still a slow, manual process that hasn't changed in decades. It requires plaster casting, hand modifications, and skilled labor. Most clinics can't afford modern design tools, and most orthotists are not trained in CAD software. That's where we come in. Rightfit is an AI-powered digital platform that helps orthotists create custom orthotics in minutes using just a 3D scan and low-cost 3D printer. Our platform automatically cleans and prepares raw scans, uses parametric design to create a personalized orthotics, and generates print-ready file. No CAD expertise required. Our system works with affordable 3D printers around $4,000 compared to $100,000 industrial machines used today. That means even small clinics can afford orthotic production in-house. We're currently piloting Rightfit in hospitals across Mongolia, working with orthotists, rehabilitation doctors, and real patients like Jamur, a 5-year-old girl with cerebral palsy. After receiving 3D printed orthotics made through Rightfit, her walking improved dramatically. Our vision is simple: make personalized orthotics care faster, more affordable, and available to everyone who needs it, anywhere in the world.